Hello friends, I'm a little kid and I'm a cutie kid. Okay, today I may tell you how create thumbnail and let's go start it now. Okay, this side I going thumbnail, this thumbnail. Okay, I push thumbnail, this thumbnail maker. I thumbnail maker push. And which one you should do for this one? Zigzag, this you should. Okay, I zigzag choose. Okay, then push accident. No, accident now. First picture. Little bit wait. Okay, wait, little bit, only wait, coming. This one. Wait.
Talking with friends.
Okay, friends, wait only little bit. Start just. Okay. Wait. Friends. Okay, friends, this time this coming this my picture and see. I push it this picture. Okay, this time I other side push. Wait little bit, then coming.
Gain up is
Okay, this time coming this. Push logo. Okay, wait little bit only. Error. Then this. And then excellent. Push saving. Loading. Wait friends. Then push save. Then okay push. Then back going. Then text push. And write how H O W how do it D O I T E do it Wait friends, DUITTIK TikTok. And then I little bit change this image which one this I choose this. This one love. This one is nice. Oh, this okay. Green color, beautiful color. No, this no need. Then I exhale and push. Loading video. Okay, done. Save. This time I save, push, and okay. Then I hope you understand this video. I little kids. And hope you like my channel. Press the bell icon. And thank you, my beautiful YouTube team, and understand how great thumbnail. Bye bye.